25 points. Mendoza looking for a pass to the 3-point corner. Pass to Lagrusa for 3 points. A miss shot. Juggling for the rebound. It's a foul. Okay. The players are tired now. Okay. Tomorrow pass to Ever for jump shot. Rebound by GR pass to King for a dribble and looking for a shot. Pass to GR for nothing. King back to 3-point corner for a shot. And it's a 3-point. Oh, the overcoming is again waking up. They are recovering from their 5 minutes more to go. Patricio to Mendoza looking for a pass to Lagrusa right to the center, and it's a foul by Arlo Andong. Wala pa penalty ari. Tomorrow pass to Mendoza for a jump shot, and it's a score! Birdie! 40 points. King for 3 points, short. Rebound by GR for a jump shot. It's a layup, 2 points. Oh, it's a steal by King, and again it's a layup, and Mendoza still the ball. Mendoza looking for a pass, dribbling the ball, pass to Macalisang to the center, pass to Junjun, steal the ball, pass to King for a layup. It's a score. Ala. Team overcoming. 32 points. Jelvin to the center, and it's a layup, and it's a score! Jelvin Lorisca, their captain ball. The 3-point center guard.